If OneDrive is slowing things down on your Windows 11 PC, or you simply don't want it syncing your files and then folders anymore, this video is for you. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how to disable OneDrive on Windows 11 the easy way, step by step. We'll stop OneDrive from syncing and turn off folder backup for your desktop, documents, and pictures so your files stay where you want them. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Windows 11 guides. Alright, let's get into it. First, press Windows and E on your keyboard to open File Explorer. This is the fastest way to get to your files and settings. Once File Explorer opens, look at the left sidebar and find OneDrive. Right-click OneDrive, then click OneDrive Settings. This opens the main settings panel for OneDrive, where you can control syncing and backup options. Now that you're in OneDrive settings, look for the sync and backup section. Click on sync and backup to open the options related to your folders and cloud syncing. Here, you'll see the backup settings for your important Windows folders. Next, click manage backup. This is the place where OneDrive controls whether your desktop, documents, and pictures are automatically backed up to the cloud. Inside manage backup, you'll see the folders that are currently protected by OneDrive. To stop OneDrive from backing them up, turn off desktop, turn off documents, and turn off pictures. If any of these are switched on, OneDrive may keep syncing changes to your Microsoft account. Turning them off gives you more control over where your files are stored locally on your computer. After you select the folders you want to stop backing up, confirm the changes when Windows asks you to. This step is important because it finalizes the update and tells OneDrive not to keep syncing those folders. Once that's done, OneDrive will no longer automatically back up those files, which can help reduce syncing issues and make your system feel cleaner and less cluttered. If you want to go a step further and fully disable OneDrive behavior, you can also sign out of the OneDrive app or disable it from startup later on, but the method in this video is the safest first step because it stops the syncing without causing confusion around your local files. That means you still keep your files on your PC, but OneDrive stops pushing them into the cloud in the background. And that's it. You've now learned how to disable OneDrive syncing on Windows 11 and turn off folder backup for your most common folders. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Windows 11 tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.